My name is Summer Blue. I'm the nurse with Ashland Natural Medicine. Thank you for joining me on the tutorial of how to collect your specimen for the GI map test kit. I'm going to open it up and show you what we have and how to collect. This is your GI map test box. This is your lab requisition test sheet. Please make sure to fill out your patient information in its entirety, as this is very important for the lab and identify who the specimen belongs to. Next, we have the GI map instructions so that you can refer back to the written form of instructions for your GI map test kit. The specimen container is wrapped in gloves because you may need gloves to perform your test, as you are dealing with stool. Here's your specimen bag with an absorbent pad inside. This is your specimen collection container, and if you see inside, there's a tiny spoon. Then on the side of the label will be patient name, date, and time collected. Please fill this out for the lab so they know who the specimen belongs to. This is your collection tray. This is the FedEx envelope, which has a prepaid billable stamp, so it will be no cost to you to ship the specimen out. It is already done. These are all the pieces that should be included in your kit when it arrives to you. If you don't see something in your kit, please call the clinic and we can arrange to get you the pieces you need. There's not much preparation for this test kit. The only thing you need to do is get up in the morning, take care of business in this tray. Label your specimen collection container with your information first before you put the stool in the collection container. So please label your name, date, and time that you've done your collection. I will open this up and show you how to collect your specimen. Please put some gloves on, as this is down and dirty business. So your bowel movement will be in this tray, and you're going to use this tiny spoon to collect from 4 different areas. You'll go 1, wipe it off in there, 2, swish it off, 3, swish it off, 4, and swish the spoon clean again. Once you've gotten your 4th collection, you close it tight. You don't want this leaking. Close it tight, and you will shake it for 30 seconds. The stool in the collection container should raise the red liquid up to the red line. It shows you an example on the instruction sheet what that looks like. Then you will, again, ensure that it's closed tight, making sure that it's labeled with your information. Put it into the biohazard bag with the absorbent pad. Close it tight. Once you've collected your specimen and placed it in the biohazard bag, you can put it in the box, and the rest of your bowel movement can go in the toilet. You do not need to ship this out. Dump it in the toilet, throw it away in the garbage, take off your gloves. Make sure your requisition sheet is filled out in its entirety with your patient information and date collected. Put it into the box. Close up the box. Then you have your FedEx envelope that you will place your box in. Remove the adhesive plastic, close it up tight, and boom, you got your specimen kit all ready for shipment to FedEx. You can call them, they'll pick it up from your doorstep, or call them and see where the nearest drop box is for you to go and drop it off. Congratulations, you've completed the GI map. If you have any questions, please call the clinic. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.